Hi girls, let's look at chapter 10, chapter test, question 5. So question 5 here, they don't have a diagram, but it's very clear that you have two people here having two different containers. So one of them, Kelvin, has a right circular cone. So highlight the information you have. Circular cone for Kelvin and base radius 6x and height 3y. And then you have this Sarah here. Sarah is not having a cone, but she has a right cylinder, base radius 3x and height 6y. And then she claims that the volume of her cylinder is twice that of Kelvin's cone. So do you agree and explain your answer? So they're comparing the volume. So therefore, comparing the volume. So therefore, you just have to find the volume of each of them. So volume of Kelvin's cone. So common mistake here is you thought Kelvin and Sarah both have a cone, but actually only Kelvin has a cone, and the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So the r here is 6x, and a lot of you didn't put brackets next to it, and it's wrong because you forgot to square your 6 as well. So here you should have 36 pi x squared y cm cubed. A lot of you did not simplify your answer. Make sure you simplify your answer. If you keep as the first line, I can't give you all the marks because you can't ask your teacher to solve the question for you. And again, when you have to compare it later on, you need to simplify in order to see the difference. And then we look for the volume of Sarah's cylinder. Cylinder is different with cone. So this is a cone, and a cylinder is like this. So therefore, the way of calculating the volume is different as well. So for cylinder, how do we calculate cylinder? So pi r squared h. So there's no 1/3 here. And the r here is 3x. Again, the whole thing square, and then your h. And of course, you have to simplify it again. And then she asked whether her cylinder is twice as that of Kelvin's cone. So some of you just say 36 pi x squared y is smaller than 54 pi x squared y. This is not exactly answering the question because you have to tell me, is it twice of it instead of bigger or smaller? So 54 pi x squared y doesn't equals to 2 times 36 pi x squared y cm cubed. So therefore, the claim is disagree. So you have to link back the thing that whether it is twice or not. So here, the most common mistake is you forgot your unit, or when you compare it, you didn't say whether it is twice, you just say greater or smaller, or the common mistakes was circular, cone, and right cylinder. You don't know how to find the volume of them. You mix up your formula. A lot of you write 2 pi r squared h, which is wrong. So make sure you know how to find the volume of